Hey guys, Miss Norton here. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a zine. You're going to need a pair of scissors and a piece of paper. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half. I believe this is hamburger style. So fold, then you make sure you crease. Try to line yours up the best that you can. Sorry, let me fix my corners so you don't have any pages sticking out. But again, fold and crease. Keep it folded in half. Then you're going to fold it in half a second time. Again, line up your corners, and then use your fingers, or you could use a pen and just really fold down on the crease there. And then you are going to fold it in half another time. So 3 folding in half, like this. You're so close to a zine. You have one more step to do. So once you have folded it to this size, so that's 3 folding in half, you're going to open it up, and then you can see you have a side where it has 4 pages, so like 4 pieces that you can lift, and then you have another side where you only have 2 pages. You're going to go to the side that only has 2 pages, and you are going to cut the top part right here only to the middle, so to right here. So I'm going to get a pair of scissors, and I'm going to put it in between those 2 pages, and I'm going to cut this top part here to the middle of my book. So once you've done that, you're going to open the paper all the way up, and you should have something that looks like this. So you have a paper with a hole in the middle like that. From here, you're going to fold it hot dog. So fold it like this, so it looks like you have 4. Then you're going to see on the top, you'll have like kind of like a diamond shape. So all I'm going to do is kind of push these 2 edges from my hot dog shape. So these 2, 1, 2, push them together. So this diamond shape gets skinnier until you flatten it. And then you'll kind of have like a plus sign here. And from here, you're just taking the pages and flattening them down. So something like this. And then you can fold it in half. So what this is doing is making your pages. So 1, 2, and you're going to do front and back on your pages. But it makes your pages, and then it gives it a nice binding for your book. So that is how you fold a zine. I wish you guys the best of luck. Tomorrow we are going to start working on our designs for them. Good luck, and I will see you then.